The straight stitch is one of the most basic embroidery stitches you can do. I love using it for little branches on trees. I've used it as little grasses in my pond shoe here, and also for grass in my seaside pattern here as well. To do this stitch, we have our fabric, and we just come up where we want the bottom of that straight stitch, pull our thread through, and then we go down where we want the top of that straight stitch, just like so. That's our straight stitch. Like I said, super simple. If we do another one, come on up and go down where you want that next straight stitch to be. We'll just give that thread a little tug so it lays nice and flat there. We'll do one more. Come on up where you want the bottom of your straight stitch, and then down again where you want it to end. The straight stitch can really be any length you prefer. It's just a stitch that is straight. So there you go.